I am here to do a unboxing video. I done a swap with a chick on YouTube, and I just got my box today. Okay, so this is my box. I've covered my address so you can't see. So that's what the box looks like. So, so open it. I'll open it and see what's inside. Just letting you know too, this is my first unboxing video. So let's hope I do it right. Get into it. Okay. Very difficult. Noisy. So much sticky tape. Ah, there, we got it finally. Okay, let's have a look. Still funny. There we are. Open it. More sticky tape. Anyway, so just open it. Forward. What it looks like. This thing's loose in there though. Like, oh well. Okay. First I see okay. This is the well, hey Jasmine. Enjoy your candy. Be sure to video your unboxing. Thanks, Damien. Okay. Ooh. Okay. First, I see. They're bouncing. They look kind of different from Australia, but yeah, just yeah. They're good. These are different crispy rolls. Never heard of Milky Way crispy rolls. They look good. Milk chocolate covered with the biscuits fingers with a lightly whipped filling. And their dairy Freddos are so different. Look how different they are. Really weird. And their Chomper Chomps are the same. I love Chomper Chomps. Thanks, Jamie. So I have strawberry and cream, cola flavour, what melted, looks like it melted. What is these? Oh, there's chips. Chicken flavoured chips. I don't know what this is, but it looks like chocolate. Open it and have a look. Chocolate. Let's see what's inside of it. Mmm. That's very good. Sweet taste. But good. Oh my god. I've seen these, but they're the hard ones. These are the soft ones. They're really good. So two of them. I reckon she went overboard. Oh, my smileys went everywhere. Magic. The magic stars are a bit melted too. Both of her package was melted as well. So, still good. What was this one? Apple flavored one. Oh my god, there's Snickers. Snickers are the same over here too. They're really good stuff. I love Snickers. That looks different. I haven't tried them. Don't like raisins, but someone will eat in here. Mars bar. Another bounty. Your milk bottle packaging is different. They're so small. How small they are. Ours are about that big. What did I buy? Oh my god. How cute are these lollies? They're a monkey. I've never tried a monkey one. And oh my god. You are the best. How massive is this? Oh my god. And my Smarties went everywhere, but still good. So I have Smarties. So I'll pick them up. They're in all three here. More lollies. Fudge. I love lollies. How Twix a different packaging. Well, some are like this, but they're like this big. They're so small. But they're great. Another Freddo. And I've never seen these mixed up with Oreos. Never seen them before. And my Smarties are in there. So I'll put them back in the box. Or in the packaging. Anyway, thanks Jamie for doing the swap with me. I will try and link her page again, but I don't know how though, sorry. But I will put her name there and you can go and find her. And hope to do more swaps again with her. This is really I reckon she went over the 30 mark. I reckon we both did. But yeah, anyway. Thank you, see you all. Bye.